Hi, I am from PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move files from C drive to D drive in Windows 11. If your C drive is running out of space, transferring files to the D drive can help free up storage and keep your system running smoothly. Make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Step 1. First, open File Explorer by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar, or by pressing Windows E on your keyboard. Now navigate to the C drive, C, where your files are currently stored. Find the file or folder you want to move. Step 2, right-click on the file or folder, then select Cut from the menu. Now go to the D drive, FRUF, open the folder where you want to place the file, right-click inside the folder, and select Paste. The file will now be moved from the C drive to the D drive. And that's it. Now you know how to move files from C to D in Windows 11 easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching,